So the title states Standing Meerkats. So before we read, let's go ahead and read the little box to the left where it says think about it. It says, does standing upright seem like a normal or an unusual thing for most animals to do? So that basically means, is it normal for animals to stand up or is it not normal? So keep that question in mind as we're reading. Let's go ahead and start reading. The meerkat is a desert animal. It is part of the mongoose family. Pictures of meerkats often show the animals standing on their back legs. Standing upright allows meerkats to find food and see possible dangers. How do meerkats balance so well? They use their tails by putting their tails on the ground when they stand on their back legs. They are able to keep their tall bodies upright. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the gist. What is the text mostly about? Remember, when we're thinking about the gist, we want to think of what's happening, who is it about, and maybe why. So let's see, let's go ahead and start with the title. I know the title says Standing Meerkats, and I know in the text keywords such as meerkats were repeating and the word standing kept repeating. So with these keywords and the title, I think the text was mostly about how meerkats are able to stand up. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the question. Now they are going to give us a hint. It says the author asks a question and then answers it. So the question states, the author most likely wrote this article to. So with my handy dandy pen, let's go ahead and underline the keywords. So the keywords are most likely and wrote. So they're asking us, why did the author most likely write this article? So that means I need to find the author's purpose. So let's go ahead and read the answer choices. Okay. Can it be A? Describe what meerkats eat in the desert. Is that why the author wrote this article or this text? I don't think A can be the answer because the text doesn't mention what meerkats eat in the desert. So I don't think A could be my answer. Let's go on to letter B. Maybe, let's see, explain how meerkats are able to stand upright. Maybe, right? That's kind of what we put in our gist. So maybe on paragraph 2, I know the author asked how do meerkats balance so well. And then in paragraph 1, it says pictures of meerkats often show the animals standing up on their back legs. So I have information on meerkats standing up in these 2 paragraphs. So I think B might be the answer. I'm going to put a question mark and read the other 2. C. Ask why some animals have tails and some don't. Is that why the author wrote this? I don't think so because it only talks about the meerkat, not any other animals. So C is not my answer. D. Tell a story about a pet meerkat. D. I don't think D is the answer because it's not saying that the meerkat is a pet. It was just talking about how the meerkat stands up. So D is not my answer. So the best answer is B. Explain how meerkats are able to stand upright, and that is the author's purpose. Alrighty, guys. Good job. Let's go ahead and move on to your exit tickets. Oh, this is the wrong one. It's okay. Or is it not? Invasion of Mars. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Don't worry about it. A little glitch. But your exit ticket is in the Google Forms. Make sure that you are answering all your questions, okay? It goes in order. And please, 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 please make sure that you are clicking submit after you are done. And if you need any help at all, please reach out to Miss Lopez and I, and we'll be here, okay?